4th April 23, we are witnessing the deterioration of asset quality of the borrowers of many international financial institutions, banks. We have seen some of the reputed global banks also faced a problem of reduction in their values and closure of some of the important banks. Let us see what is the position of Indian borrowers, asset values, and what are the credit profiles. What is the credit worthiness of these profiles of Indian corporates? Indian companies' credit profiles remained stable in the financial year 22-23. Credit profiles of companies did not improve as much in the last fiscal year as they did in the year before, but there has not been any sharp deterioration seen in any of the sectors. It means the credit worthiness of Indian companies is stable but not deteriorated. Of course, it is not increased, but it is also not deteriorated. Their credit worthiness, the Indian companies' credit worthiness is not deteriorated, which is a welcome symptom for strength of Indian economy. The current financial year 2023 offers many companies room to carry out capital expenditure given the balance sheet strength. For CRISIL, there were 460 upgrades and 210 downgrades across sectors in the second half of the financial year 22-23, while the upgrade rate fell to 320 basis points from the first half and stood at 13.46%. It was still higher than 10-year average of 10% up to the financial year 21-22. CARE Edge Ratings credit ratio, which measures the ratio of upgrades to downgrades, normalized to 2.72 in the second half after reaching an all-time high of 3.74 in the first half year of 22-23. During the October to December 22, CARE Edge Ratings upgraded the ratings of 383 entities and downgraded the ratings of 141 entities during this period. For the year financial 22, there were only 22 defaults in ICRA's portfolio in financial 23 compared to 42 in the financial 22 and 44 in financial 21. It means during the financial year 22, there were only 22 defaults compared to the 42 in financial 22, 44 in financial 21. This trend has been consistent with the general improvement witnessed in the asset quality indicators of banks and non-banking financial companies. Indian companies' balance sheets have significantly strengthened. Gearing levels continue to be decadal high. The median gearing of CRISIL rated portfolio is expected to be 0.445 times as of financial 24 and making a correction from financial 23. This, along with steadfast demand and the government's unwavering focus on infrastructure spending, has kept the upgrade rate elevated. Rival India Ratings upgraded the ratings of 295 issuers, representing 21% of the reviewed portfolio. Rating downgrades were significantly lower, seen in only 78 issuers during the fiscal year 22-23. Among the sectors which witnessed positive rating actions, infrastructure asset operators led the pack. Close to a quarter of the upgrades were from renewable power and road operators. These corporates either hide their capacities coming online or strengthened their operating performance. Overall, despite the slowdown in the global economy and uncertainties in the financial system, corporate India has remained relatively resilient. Going forward, the credit outlook to be stable, aided by robust growth in domestic demand, deleveraged balance sheets, ease of commodity cost pressures, and the government's thrust on infrastructure spending. However, increasing interest rates, a prolonged slowdown in global demand, spillover from the war, inflationary pressures, and emerging uncertainties in the global financial system are the key monitorables on the credit risk. It is evident that Indian corporates' credit worthiness, asset quality has been improved and improving year by year compared to the previous financial years of 2021, 21-22 and 22-23. The defaults also reduced compared to previous years, and upgradation is made by many of the rating agencies. For many of the downgradation is low and upgradation is high when analysis made by the many rating agencies.